Hello, I'm Rebecca. I'm the Environmental Education Coordinator here at Calusa Nature Center and Planetarium in Fort Myers, Florida. And today on Calusa Nature Moments, we're going to talk about this stuff.
Alright, so what is this stuff? Well, you might be liking this post right now, but this stuff is lichen. Lichen is a very interesting living creature. It's a mutualistic relationship between an algae and a fungus, sometimes more than one fungus. You might be like, hey, what's a mutualistic relationship? Well, that is actually a pretty cool concept. So in a mutualistic relationship like this lichen here, here's one individual, here's another individual, hey, there's another one. Oh, look. A whole bunch of them. In a mutualistic relationship, the fungus holds on to whatever surface it is that it's growing on, and the algae provides the food. So a mutualistic relationship is where they are together, they live together, they actually cannot live separately. You're going to see a couple different types of lichen as you walk around in the forest. This type is what we call a crusteose type because it's making this little crust on a tree. There's a couple other types. There is foliose, which looks like leaves. We'll look for that. And frusitose, which looks like some kind of branching off. Oh, yep, got more of that crusted type lichen hiding underneath of this poison ivy vine. No thank you, sir. So here's some more of that crusted lichen. Now, lichen is really interesting, not just because it's a mutualistic relationship, but it can grow anywhere as long as there's something for it to hold on to that doesn't move too fast. You might see lichen growing on rocks, growing on trees, growing on bushes. I saw some growing on some bones one time that had been sitting out in the woods for a while. It does grow slowly. Would not recommend damaging it too much. This lichen around here grows a little bit more quickly. Here is some. Ooh, is that? Yeah, look at that. Look at that little cup shape. There we go. Oh, come on, focus. There we are. Look at that. We got some little cup shapes. This is that foliose type, the type that looks like leaves. Very cool. Look at the edges of it. It's lifting off here at the edges, kind of growing and peeling away a little bit from the tree that it's on. It's not going to peel away completely, but it is going to sort of reach out to catch some of that moisture it needs, some of the sunlight. And you might be like, hey, Rebecca, can you identify these for me? Not really. There are tens of thousands of species of lichen, and I'm not very good at them. But they're really cool to look at and actually really important for the ecosystem. Some places, they are the main food source for animals. In some places, toxins from lichen have been cultivated to be used as actual poisons, as weapons for protection. Some places, like the Arctic tundra, lichen is mainly what you're going to see growing. So they are really cool, really important living organisms. Calusa Nature Center and Planetarium is a nonprofit organization that's been serving the communities of Southwest Florida for 50 years. Donations to our emergency fund first and foremost go to the care and keeping of animals like Pancake, our Florida softshell here. Thank you for your support, and we hope to see you again as soon as we open up. Hi, Pancake.
This is Pancake. He's definitely trying to eat my face right now.